Hindi lahat ng tao sa buhay mo dapat manatili. Again, hindi lahat ng tao sa buhay mo dapat manatili. May mga tao talagang kailangan mong layuan at kailangan mong tanggalin sa buhay mo. Yung bawat kausap mo na pagod ka, drain ka, anxious ka, hindi okay yun. Again, hindi okay yun. Relationships should give life, not take it away. Sorry ng sorry, pero hindi nagbabago. Promises ng promises, pero ikaw pa rin ang umiiyak. If it costs your worth, your dignity, your sanity, it's too expensive. Yung tipong pag sila mali, ikaw pa rin ang may kasalanan. Yung pinapaikot ka emotionally paulit-ulit. Yung pinaparamdam sa'yo na kulang ka, hindi ka sapat. Tandaan mo, manipulation is not love. Again, manipulation is not love. Yung nai-insecure pag umaasenso ka, yung ayaw ka suportahan, yung masaya silang nasa baba ka lang, dyan ka lang. Love should never shrink you. It should push you to grow. It should push you to grow. Relationships that distract you from God will always derail your purpose. Kung hindi ka nila tinutulungan na lumapit sa Diyos, na lumakas, na magpatuloy, lalo ka lang nilang tinutulak palayo. Minsan, hindi tao ang tinatanggal ng Diyos. Again, alam mo ba na minsan hindi tao ang tinatanggal ng Diyos sa'yo, kundi yung bigat, hindi relationship, kundi yung distraction, hindi yung friend mo, kundi yung blockage sa blessing mo. God removes people not to hurt you, but to protect you. So yes, may mga taong kailangan mong layuan, may mga taong kailangan mong tanggalin, not out of bitterness, but out of wisdom, healing, and growth. Your future needs clarity. Your future purpose needs space. Your heart needs peace.